Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a tutorial on a curly drop fade. So we start off by taking the bulk down with the number 2, scooping it out, taking your trimmers, trying to take the excess hairs, balding it out with a shaver. Now we take the half guard, go up a little bit, blend it through with your trimmers and a 0. So I like to go more in detail on the other side. This side is going pretty fast and I didn't show most of the stuff, but I tried to zoom in on what I was doing. As you can see, this is a 1.5 blending through 2.5 that we did at the beginning of the video. Yeah, this is the finished look on this side. This is the right side. Now I'm moving to the left side, taking a half and going up a little bit. Now playing with the lever midway, scooping it out with a 0, trying to take out that bottom line. If it doesn't work, you take your trimmers, use the corners. If not, flip it over, try to take that line out as much as you can. This is a 1, going up a little bit, little by little. I like to take my time before moving up into the top. Blend that line that I just made and just work your way through. Scoop it out. Try not to make more lines. Play with the lever. You see that? Play with the lever. 1.5 again. Go up a little bit. Comb any excess hair. One and a half with the lever down, taking out that excess shadows we see. This is 2.5 blending to the top. You see that little bit of shadows to look weird? Take it out with a 1.5. That bottom line you see a little bit right there. It's a zoom in. Pull the skin up. Use the corners of the blade. That's 2.5 blending through the top again. Trying to get them shadows right. Get that texture looking good. Nice and blurry. Comb the sides. Comb the hair from the top to the sides. Make sure you don't have a mushroom look. Blend it through the sides, as you can see. Little by little. Make sure you don't make no gap or anything. I like to take a 1.5 through the edge up so it can be a crispy, nice lineup. See that? Make sure you get that seek up. Now we're blending it through the sides. Make sure we don't have anything that looks weird or off. Detail your work. This is where you stand out from the rest. Make sure you get that line nice and good on the other side too. Now showing you a different type of technique instead of a 2.5. Now it's time to shine with the razor. You already know. Get that crispy. Go up. You got to do it twice. Do it again. Comb the hairs down. Make sure you get every single hair. Go up with the razors. Don't forget. Now we wet the hair and put some product in it. Elegance hair, beard, and oil. I love this thing, man. Makes your curls look shiny and soft and nice. It's just nice. This is the spin around. This is the final fade. Look. Crispy, blurry. Yeah. But wait, not done yet. We gotta do the eye rub. Yeah. So we do the top and then the bottom. Make sure you do a little bit, not too much, just a clean up. Don't arch them too much. That's the finished look. What y'all think? Hey, yes. That's it. See ya next time.